Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can transform your photos into a wide angle photo with the CapCut autofill. So if you have a close-up or middle close-up photo like this, you can make it into a wide angle photo by only using one click in CapCut. So after you add your photo, you can go to style by clicking on the photo, or you can also go to the effects and go to the photo effects. Here you'll easily spot the autofill. So there are two options of autofill. Let's try the first one. Wait until it applies to your photo. Okay, so this is the first one, and let's try the second one, the autofill 2. Okay, so this is the autofill 2. You can just select between these two. I think the autofill 2 is more expanded, so you can just select one of these two. So guys, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.